The court, in its wisdom, decided that the subject of our application, i.e. the live streaming and open telecast, is not in any way connected with the merits of our petition. The petition is separate, it's ongoing. The application did not succeed to have the televised version of the proceedings relate to the entire world. And as far as we are concerned, we are now set for hearing. Tomorrow we'll be here by God's grace.
Thank you so much. And your brothers are great. You see, we made a passionate appeal to the presidential election petition sitting in Abuja that they should allow live telecast of the proceedings from the inception. But they said no. APC legal team argued that the court is not a cinema house, that you televise what they are doing, the proceedings. INEC also argued the same way. And the court played along with APC and INEC. That was the first sign that it may well be that the panel is there for APC and not for the Nigerian people and not for justice. But they had to make a mockery of themselves when they now said the ruling will be carried live. They ordered live telecast of the ruling today. They made a mockery of themselves. The moment we heard that there will be live telecast of the court judgment today, 6th of September, we knew something was fishy. They refused to allow us listen to the arguments as it's been presented before them. Listen to the witnesses. They refused to allow us. But they wasted our time today reading out trash. Just garbage trash. Meaningless trash. Carefully packaged. As if they want to deceive the people. That's what they are reading out for us. For hours. Wasting our data. Wasting our time. We now know why they allowed live telecast. A British statesman said falsehood ceases to be falsehood when it's understood on all sides that the truth is not likely to be spoken. If you know already you cannot get justice from a group of men that lack what it takes to grant justice, I mean, we're not disappointed. The panel decision today will not disappoint any Nigerian. The MB have just finished their conference. And part of the resolution is that Nigerians do not have confidence in the justice system. The whole world knows Nigerians do not have confidence in the justice system. Because the bench is made up of questionable characters. 90% of them. The whole world knows that. They know how we are. That's why investors cannot come here. Because the justice system is rubbish. It goes to the highest bidder. Cases stay in court 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. No justice. That's why they will not allow live telecast of the proceedings. Only for them on the day of ruling, when they have perfected what they want to do, they now order for live telecast. So I will listen how they cook up the argument and arrive at a predetermined decision. What a tragedy. If you win the war, win the peace also. Nigeria is going. Nigeria is going. Like a joke. People do not have confidence in the justice system. And that it's terrible development. It's something disturbing. Everybody should get ready for what follows when the people are no longer ready to go by the justice system.